Once it's dried, and we're gonna dip it in our chocolate to get that nice, beautiful Yoda green. And then just let the excess chocolate drop off. Okay. So once your chocolate has dried, you're gonna come and take your Yoda head and dip it into your white chocolate. And once you've done that, you're gonna take your head and you're gonna dip it into your cookie crumb and make sure you get it all around. Okay, so now we're going to put our little eyes on. We're gonna take our eyes, all right, we're gonna place our second eye just like that, putting our nose on, and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so once we've taken our tart shell out of the oven, we're gonna come and gently remove the tart from our glass, just like so. Place it here. We're going to take our cooked apples and we're gonna come and fill the center of our tart with our nice and caramelized cinnamon apples, just like that. We can be generous. I'm gonna come and take my cream. And then we're gonna head to the freezer. Into the freezer. There you have it. So once your tart shell has hardened and your dough has set, and we're gonna place it gently on our plate, and then we're going to come and pipe all around. All right, and now for our final step, we're going to take our baby Yoda head and place it gently on top of his body.